AMP price today is $0.009, with a 24-hour trading volume of $109.20 million, market cap of $356.70 million, and market dominance of 0.04%. The AMP price increased 17.28% in the last 24 hours. AMP reached its highest price on June 16, 2021, when it was trading at its all-time high of $0.119. The lowest price since its ATH was $0.007 cycle low. The highest AMP price since the last cycle low was $0.014 cycle high. The AMP price prediction sentiment is currently neutral. AMP's current circulating supply is 36.27 BAMP out of max supply of 99.21 BAMP. The current yearly supply inflation rate is minus 24.43%, meaning 11.72 BAMP were created in the last year. AMP price in US dollar has decreased by minus 20.16% in the last 1 month. AMP is up 48.26% against Ethereum and up 30.31% against Bitcoin in the last 1 month. The top-performing year for AMP was 2021, when the price of AMP increased by 617.59% from $0.0067 to $0.048398. The worst-performing year for AMP was 2020, when the price dropped by minus 30.20% from $0.009 to $0.006745. The average yearly growth of AMP over the last 3 years is 293.7% per year. Usually, AMP performs best in Q1 with an average of 139.84% gain and worst in Q3 with minus 24.06% loss. According to our current AMP price prediction, the value of AMP is predicted to drop by minus 6.74% and reach $0.009 by July 6, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 11. AMP recorded 37% green days with 11.45% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our AMP forecast, it's now a bad time to buy AMP. In the best-case scenario, AMP price prediction for year 2025 is $0.1121 if it follows Facebook growth. In case AMP would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2025 would be $0.022116. AMP is currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average. The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 185 days, since December 27, 2021. The price of AMP is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 86 days, since April 5, 2022. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 266 days ago, on October 7, 2021. Based on our technical indicators, AMP's 200-day SMA will drop in the next month and will hit $0.020 by July 31, 2022. AMP's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $0.008 by July 31, 2022. The Relative Strength Index, momentum oscillator, is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold below 30 or overbought above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 48.53, which indicates that the AMP market is in a neutral position. Based on today's classical pivot point P1 with the value of $0.0109, AMP has support levels of $0.0072, $0.0046, and the strongest at $0.0010. Similarly, AMP resistance levels are at $0.0134, $0.0171, and $0.0197.
We gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? Fucking got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night. Whoa, everything I touch turn cold. Need no introduction cause they know Brit and Mo, I I hit the lotto, my motto, roll up gelato and throttle a couple models staccato who fucking brought up the bottles. I'm gone ham, this ain't even luck, all planned. Y'all know who the fucks I am, burning bucks, smoke bands. Always been the MO since the start of this, and now I'm on a mission like I'm Artemis. Hey, we gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? But we got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night.
Never an average night, 2-4 hours up in the day, I gotta make it right. 18 of those, I'm in the cave, I gotta make some light, make it hype, even if we break a night. And even if things go left, we gotta make them right. Chillin' with mom, we triple up, they on the double up, triple dub. Came from the basement, we only going up, they loving us. Up in the booth, I'm getting dizzy, but they the cup is up. Toast to my people that's on the come up, and you live with us. Ain't all about the trigger bus. Looking at my watch, your spirit bomb, both hands is going up. You going coast to coast with us. See the flows is flowing, overflowing, yeah, the cup it runneth over, tidal wave up in the ocean.
We gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? But we got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night.